ladies, and welcome to my home in beautiful Northeast Georgia. I'm Rachel, and I wanted to have a quick chat with you today, and it's mostly about HD fibers. For several days, couple of weeks, I've been really looking at these curly pieces thinking, could I pull that off? And I can tell you, last year when I first started wearing wigs, I would never have attempted this. I might have attempted it, but I would have quickly dismissed it because I had such baby fine hair that this would have been shocking to me. So I thought, I have that Flirt Alert by Raquel Welch in the closet in there, and I don't wear her that often. And she is HD fiber, so why not curl her? That's what I did. I don't know, ladies, what do you think? Do you think I can pull this piece off? I'd really like to try her in a mixed gray color or an ashy blonde like toasted pecan by Gabor. I still don't want to get one that has so much permatease that she gets huge. But I think this is a pretty good, now this piece has been, I modified her and I did thin her somewhat. So I guess I could always do that to another wig. But anyway, what I wanted to share with you is my thoughts on HD fibers. I've heard a lot of really bad press about them, and I've heard ladies expressing that they are afraid and they do not use hot tools on their HD fibers thinking they are going to prolong their life. Well, that is simply not true. Now, that may be true on regular synthetic fibers, but for HD fibers, the manufacturers teach you that you must use heat appliances on heat-defined or heat-friendly fibers in order to maintain the integrity of those strands, those fiber strands. It will make them smoother, and also a good HD spray will help. I know that Envy makes one, and I'm going to be trying that, and I'll try to remember to update y'all on how I like that product. But please, ladies, do not be afraid of using heat appliances on your HD fibers. Now, and that brings me to another thought, that I know there's many camps of ladies who and they are usually, I hate HD fibers, I love HD fibers, I'm afraid of HD fibers, and I'm curious, and that's the camp I fell into. I'm a person who loves to play with wigs. I love to curl them. So if you're like me and you love to learn and you're not afraid to try it, I would say try them. Give them a chance. You may love them. If you're a person who absolutely just wants to put on your wig and wear it and wash it, they may not be for you. So decide what's important to you, because we're all so different, and it doesn't make one right and it doesn't make one wrong, whichever camp you fall into. So anyway, that's basically what I wanted to share with you today. If you have any questions, drop them below. I don't profess to be an expert by any stretch of the imagination. I'm just here to share my experience and what I've learned with you. I hope you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.